coaching website on squarespace.com. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to create a website for coaching in squarespace.com. So guys, it may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do, and all you need is the first step is to create an account on squarespace.com. It's free and you're ready to create a website. So then you just need to click on the create a website button and you're ready creating it. So guys, here you choose type of your website and the topic for your website. So the website will give you best matches of the templates they have for your conditions. So for example, we are going to have coaching, and we're going to tell that it's going to courses. So here we need to choose what our courses will be about. So for example, we would like to sell the courses. We are going to coach the people for a fitness. So for example, it gives us 8 fitness templates that best suits us to sell our course. So here you just need to choose the best you like. So for example, I really like this template. So you just click on it, and then you need to choose a sample color presets. For example, you can see all the colors right here. You can change them if you don't like them. So for example, I would like to add those gray and yellow buttons. So you just then click on start with this design, and it's going to prepare our dashboard for our website. Okay, so we just need to wait a bit. It's going to be in seconds, and the next step is to create a name for your website. So for example, I would create a name, best course for losing weight. Okay, it's going to be a name for our website. Then you just close this tab, and as you can see, here is the name of our website, the best course for losing weight. So right now we are in the dashboard of our website. Here is going to be all the editing, all the assets of your website. As you can see your pages of your website that are linked or not linked, but we are going to stay on the home page as an example. So here you can change the style of your website. For example, here you can see those black buttons. You can change the type of your words. Here you can change the style. For example, for italic, I don't like to change it. Let's see what you can edit more. Okay, as you can see, you just save right here and going back. Okay, so something is not working. You just update this page and go back. So okay, so we had it back. Here you can see the assets of your website. For example, right now I don't have any assets, but you can upload it right here. Also, you can see that if you're selling something, you can set up your store right here. You can add products to your inventory. You can add payment ways to get paid. You can choose a subscription plan, and you can go live and start selling right here. So as you can see, we have 14 days left in trial. Then you are going to need to upgrade your plan, and later in the video I'm going to show you all the plans. Okay, so let's hit back. Marketing. Here you edit your marketing, you can grow your audience right here, give your site visitors a way to subscribe, import existing email subscribers, add a promotional pop-up to your website. You can add emails to engage your audience right here. There are social tools to boost your brand. Okay, so let's get forward to the contacts. Here you add contacts, for example, your site users. Here would be your customers, your email subscribers, and your members of your website. Here is the analytics, so it will show you how many people are opening your website, what are the keywords to search, where are they located, engagement of those people who are uh, opening your website, and sales of your product. Okay, so invoicing will give you an opportunity to send professional invoices. You can only pay credit card processing fees. Here you can create an invoice. Then content and memberships. Here you can say sell paywalled content and build members only communities. So for example, you have the free content and the content that will be only paid. Here will be donations. If you're a blogger, it will be a really good opportunity for you to make some money. Okay, so next thing is the scheduling, but we don't really need it right now, but I'll show you what it is. Okay, it's going to load a bit, and it is an equity scheduling, and you can set up your scheduling page right here, create appointment times, set your availability, and design your scheduling page. Okay, so let's get back. You can see the desktop view right here of your website, and you can choose a mobile view to see how the people will see it on the mobile phones. Okay, so next step, here you can edit all your website right here. It's really easy to do. Okay, so and right now I'm going to tell you about the subscriptions plan that you can upgrade for. So in fact there are 4 plans. The first one is the cheapest one. It costs the personal. It costs $16 per month. Next one is the most popular, the business one. It costs $23 per month. Next one is the commerce basic for $28 per month, and the commerce one, it is advanced for $52 per month. Okay guys, I hope you have known something new from my video, and if so, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next overview.